tired. Today we're going to be making scrambled eggs because I'm hungry for eggs. And I've never done it. So yeah, let's get into it. So obviously for scrambled eggs, you're going to need eggs. That's usually a pretty good staple. If you don't like eggs, don't make scrambled eggs. There's going to be 2 of us eating this. So we're only going to do...
These are small.
I'll just
compared to normal.
3. These are farm fresh eggs. Where are they from? I don't know. My grandma got them.
No, me and Dad did.
You're right. There we go. I am just here to steal the eggs. Eat the child. Eat the child. So, we have eggs. This is a dent in it. But that's okay. That's fine. Also, I also like putting milk in them to make them fluffy eggs. And this egg almost rolled onto the floor. Utensils you'll need. If you are a Dan and Phil fan, I am so sorry, but we need a whisk. A medium-sized bowl, because the small is too small and the large is much bigger than I need for 3 eggs. Spatula. A pan. These are helpful if you're trying to make eggs. You don't need any of those. They're here for when Erin wants her French toast after we're done with this. So, we're going to put this over here, because we don't need it quite yet. What we do need, though, you can come closer and get some
It's hard to get your head in the frame.
That's okay. Focus on the cracking.
I need to be on the other
Yeah,
side.
show them how terrible I am at this. Oh, God, I'm nervous now.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I got it. Ooh, look how yellow those yolks are. That is a farm fresh egg. I am just going to seal up the crack with its own goop.
Leave that open.
Yeah, I'm just going to leave your trash can open if you're going to make these. Damn, I didn't even need to break that. Damn, look how eggy.
Woo!
Okay, seal it up, seal
Shit,
it up,
little
seal
egg
it
yolk.
up. As you can tell, I've gotten some egg,
Jesus.
but that's okay. I'll clean it off later. I probably should have hit that a little harder.
See, Kevin, this is how you crack an egg.
This is how you crack an egg, Kevin!
Yum.
For those of you who don't know who Kevin is, I can link his channel below if y'all want. It's Call Me Kevin. This man does not know how to crack an egg to save his fucking life.
Nope.
That's okay, though. I do. So first, I'm going to break up the yolks. Do a little bit of wiggle, wiggle, wiggle with it. Now, we're going to add milk. How much milk? I don't know. We're just going to add milk and hope for the best. Does that seem like enough milk?
You can add more if need be.
Yeah, we're going to just kind of whisk it first. Now, my dad is the fastest wrist in the Midwest when it comes to scrambling eggs. This is the first time I think I've ever scrambled anything. So,
You've never whisked eggs when we do them?
Erin, you think I'm up?
Oh, I'm usually the one that does it. I don't have fast enough wrist for it.
Already, I can feel my upper arm burning.
Do you want me
Maybe
to
I'll
do
get
it?
muscles. The point of whisking is to get some good air into it. That way, this is a bad way to hold it like this. You'll get more leverage, especially when you're almost as high as the countertop.
And go down to the other one.
Yeah, but that requires moving. Do you think these are good, or do you think I should add a little bit more milk?
You can add a little more if you want.
Add more milk if you feel like
Not too much. Yeah.
you want more milk.
Whisk it as hard as you can.
Erin, I'm doing my best. I probably don't need to turn the bowl, but turning the bowl makes me feel happy, so I'm going to turn the bowl. Don't forget to put away your cold ingredients back into the fridge, because, honestly, Mom's going to kill me if anything happens to this while she's gone. Now, what I should have had was the pan going, but that's okay. I don't know what heat to put this at, so I'm going to put it around medium.
It's not going to get hot enough.
All right. High heat it is.
And then we can put it down to medium.
I'm just going to whisk it a little bit more.
Do you want me to do it?
No.
I have a good
This is
grip.
my shitty cooking show.
Yeah, but I have a better wrist. I think. It's been a while since
I don't know, man. I'm actually doing pretty okay. Yeah, that's probably good enough. Set your egg mixture off to the side. Just for a little bit, though. You'll need it soon. Go check the pan. That's getting hot.
Why'd you put your hand in it?
If I can bear the heat, it's not hot enough. If I can't bear the heat, it's probably hot enough.
That's why you put drops of water.
It needs to be a little hotter. I'm going to turn it down a little bit because I don't want the eggs boiling.
Well, it's constantly moving.
You're constantly moving.
That's not true.
Moving out of my fucking way. Now we're going to fling water on it because I think it's hot enough that I'm going to burn my finger. It is. Look at that heat. All right. Now we're going to put...
Oh, Megan, you dripped the whisk onto, I think, the carpet.
No one needs to know. Now, transport it fast to the sink.
Now, let it sit for like a minute.
Okay.
Not like a minute, but...
Let it sit for a little bit. That way, it can kind of get used to being in a pan.
No,
We probably could have done more.
You can do it now if you want.
Okay. Now I'm going to take the spatula and just kind of
Move it to the middle.
move it to the middle.
You don't need to move the pan. Just move your hand.
Basically, what you're doing is you're letting new layers of egg hit the bottom of the hot pan, which means it'll get solid. And then you're moving it around so then it comes off like little egg peelies. I watch a lot of nail channels.
Thank you, Simply Analogical.
Yeah, thank you, Simply Analogical. I am now giving shout-outs to YouTube channels that are never going to see this.
No.
We're going to shout out PewDiePie for
Absolutely nothing.
existing. See how it's starting to get chunky? You want that.
Chunky.
Good thing Moto's not here. Might not have any eggs left.
Oh.
He likes them big. He likes them chunky.
I think you're supposed to put olive oil in the pan so it doesn't stick.
Yeah, that would have been helpful to tell me, Erin.
Oh, I forgot. I always forget.
Yeah, Jesus. Alright, if you're us,
Don't forget olive oil.
put in the fucking olive oil. 'Cause Jesus
Even if it is a
Christ.
non-stick pan, it will still stick.
Egg don't care what you are. Yeah, it probably would have been better if we had, olive oil.
I'm sorry.
And I mean have olive oil as in put it in the pan. We have olive oil. We just didn't know to use it.
Oh, I always forget. The simple thing is olive oil.
Probably turn it down a little bit. It's getting real bubbly. Alright. This was going really well
Until
we forgot the olive oil. I'm going to blame Erin on this one because I don't remember the last time I watched someone make eggs. Now I'm just going to pick it up and kind of flip it over because some eggs are shiny and I want them to not be shiny because I don't like raw egg. I don't know about you, but I'm not going to die. Not from this, at least. If I'm going to die, it's going to be in a vat of chocolate somewhere in Russia. Try to scrape off the egg as much as you can.
So it won't kill you later while doing it.
Is Mom back?
I don't think so. That's just me.
Swear to God, I heard something.
It's just
Erin!
me. It's my
You're
zipper.
making me fucking paranoid. Erin, please stop.
It's literally just my zipper. It's fine.
Erin, this is covered. Yeah, these probably would be going better if I had some sort of pan lubricant. It's sticking to the pan so bad. That's okay. I would say they're kind of done. Now we're going to put salt in. How much salt? I
Not
don't know.
too much.
Just put in salt.
You don't need that much.
Don't
trust
worry
me.
about the amount of salt. Just put in salt.
Like a pinch or two. For that, it's gonna be so much.
Now we're gonna get rid of the rest of the salt because I poured a lot in my hand. Now we're gonna.
Mix it all together. Jesus, yeah, that's getting brown.
That's all of the egg on the bottom. The egg on the bottom is nice and crispy. But hey, I think the salt maybe help.
I need a plate for French toast. Because I do need a plate for that.
Alright, he is off.
You have
Now,
egg everywhere.
the hardest part is going to be trying to transport this from pan to plate. God, this pan's so heavy, Aaron. I almost touched it. That's a problem.
Bon appetit.
So yeah, and this is how you make a plate of scrambled eggs.
Don't forget the olive oil.
Don't forget the olive oil. Otherwise, you might have a layer of egg at the bottom that is... Aaron, stop. Don't do this to me. I will stab you back.
I'm hungry.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share with your family. If you have a family, share with your friends. If you don't have either, I can't remember which order I do this in. But that's okay. We're going to eat some eggs now. Bye. And I'll see you on the next one. I hope this came out good. How is it? Really
soft and good and kind of sweet.
Oh, this came out good. You know, for how much salt I throw in,
They're not salty
they're
at
really
all.
not that salty. They could be a lot worse. Honestly, I think I should have added more salt. No, that's a lot of work. I already put it away. I plan on doing more cooking videos.